Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make a paper card, but it's not just any card. It has this really cool feature where you can pull a tab and it opens like a letter. This is a fantastic idea for Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, and any other occasions. Not only is it beautiful and has a really cool result, but it's also very easy to make. The only material you'll need is a single sheet of paper. To start, let's fold the paper in half. Then unfold it. And now that we have this line as a guide, we can fold the four corners of the paper. So just bring half of the right side to the middle. Do the same with the top half. And repeat this step with the other two corners. Next, we need to fold these two new corners. So bring the tip to the end of the fold we just made. Repeat on the left side. And fold the extra paper on both the bottom and top sides. Now turn it over. If you want to write something, glue a picture or make a drawing, you can do it on this side. After finishing this detail with the paper in this position, let's fold the top side down. Then fold the bottom side over until it's just below the top edge. And then fit one side inside the other. With that, our origami is basically finished. If you want, you can decorate it with some drawings or write a message in the front too. And that's it! As I mentioned at the beginning, it's very easy to do and it has a very beautiful result. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video!